Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovid and in this tutorial I will show you how to fix problem with your voice lines on Discord. Why others now hear you by Discord. Okay, so we may start, you may also leave like, subscribe my channel, share to others, write a comment, let's go. By the way, as you can see, my English is not perfect, but I still teach myself this language. I think it's much better than a few weeks ago. Okay, so the first option to fix your microphone on Discord is just click on this. Okay, if it doesn't work, next option is click on user settings and now on voice video. And here you have, as you can see, many microphones I have. And you may set bad microphone, which no work, so you may check this. I have setting on the best microphone, and you may also check mic test. Can you hear me? As you can see, it's working. It's very good. And it may be a problem why your mic not working. Others problem why it's still not fixed is this, that your microphone is broken, just broken. You should write manager of devices here, manager of devices, and here audio you must enter here, and you must check if you have connected my microphone to your PC. You must check did your PC see just microphone. If see, it's okay. So problem may be just that it's broken, because after this it should work. Okay, that's all. So that's all in this tutorial. So thanks for watching. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye. See you next time. Thanks.